ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Well, I'm John Ashworth, I'm the Labour MP for Leicester South, and I just want to say this is a fantastic initiative, and I really want to pay tribute to the Leicester Sikh Alliance for being one of the driving forces behind today. Last year we raised 10 tonnes of food. I think we're easily going to beat that this year, and I just want to pay tribute to the Sikh community in Leicester who have come together once again, have shown their generosity in donating so much food. And it's a sad thing that we need food banks in Leicester in this day and age, but the sad reality is that we do. But the fact that the Leicester Sikh community are putting their hands in their pockets, raising so much food, or donating so much food for local people, just shows what a great community the Sikh community here in Leicester is. And I'm delighted to be part of it and to pay my tributes to everyone involved in this event today.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਇਹ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੂਡ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਯੰਗ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਸ ਸਾਲ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਲ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਗਾਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਗਾਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪੈ ਰਹੀ ਆ। ਲੈਸਟਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਪੈ ਰਹੀ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੈਨਰੋਸਿਟੀ ਦਿਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਸਾਡੀ ਹੋਸਟ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ। ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ, ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਨੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Deputy City Mayor of Leicester, it's a great honour to be here today, and I want to wish everybody, all their friends and their families, my very best wishes and greetings for Vaisakhi. It's a very special time of year. I hope everyone has a wonderful time, and I wish them and extend to people my very best wishes.
Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Khalid from Beecham Sikh Society, and what we've done was we had our own food drive at Beecham College, and we kind of raised awareness of Vaisakhi and collected food for the food drive here at Guru Tegh Bahadur Gurdwara, and it was a really successful event. We collected in total 81 items which have been brought here today and donated, and they're going to go to various charities across the East Midlands. I think it's vital that we kind of do this seva because there are many homeless people and homeless children that are suffering from poverty, and it's important that we give them food to help them and to help the community that we live in. Thank you very much. Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So just a little message thanking you guys from the LSA. Obviously, great what you're doing here with the food drive, and I just wish you the best success, that every year it grows and grows. And also alongside that, very thankful this year that you've chosen to donate all the kind of charity money that's raised towards basic Sikhi. Obviously our mission is to spread Guru's wisdom, and many times when you go out there and talk to people about Sikhi, you want to tell them, look, Sikhs do this, Sikhs do that. The fact that we can say, look, Sikhs give food to local charity banks, that allows me to say to people, we still do this, because if I was selling something Sikhi but actually the Sikhs weren't doing that, then it would be like, pakhand in a way. But the fact that you guys are doing what you're doing allows me to do what I'm doing and makes it easier for me. So Maharaj Ji Kirpa, we work together this way. In an army, not always everybody's fighting at the front lines. Yeah, some person's cooking the food, other person is driving the trucks, somebody else is firing the ammunition, somebody else is doing this, somebody else is doing that. There's a big Khalsa Panth is like an army, Kalpur ki Fauj. So in an army, people are going to do different things. If you're the kind of person that likes to langar, you're the kind of person that wants to serve your local community, then do that. If you're the kind of person that wants to prachar, then come and join us, and help us to do that. So basically, find something that you can do for your panth and just get on with it and do it. And that's exactly what the LSA are doing. They're doing a very good job, and Maharaj Ji Kirpa, they're supporting us to do what we're doing. So hopefully we can all work together, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji's panth, rises up like it should do. Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today's food drive at Guru Tegh Bahadur Gurdwara, and we're all really excited because there's like face painting going on, tattoos, balloons, cupcakes, and lots of things going on.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I would like to thank to behalf of Kirpa Food Bank for Guru Tegh Bahadur Gurdwara giving us the opportunity to Sardar Surinder Pal Singh for giving us this opportunity for giving, especially when the Sanghas been so generous. The people of Leicester has given us this opportunity to collect the food, and this will be used, this food, for people down in Wolverhampton, and all the soup kitchen that we've been helping for the poor. According to our Guru Nanak Pasha's mission, we all get together today celebrating Vaisakhi, at the same time helping the poor as well. Thank you. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੂਡ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਲੈਸਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਆ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਰੈਸਿਪੀਐਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਫੂਡ ਬੈਂਕਸ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ ਇਹ ਫੀਲਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਰਿਣੀ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੰਗਰ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਬੇਘਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਲੰਗਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਦਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਜ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਬੁੜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਰਲ ਕੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ 100% ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਥ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪਵੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਈਸਟ ਲੈਸਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਲਈ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹਾਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Over 30 years ago, I came to East Park Road, Gurdwara, as a single parent with 2 children and not very much money. Every Sunday I would go round and have a free meal at lunchtime, and they'd often box up extra bits for me to take home to eat on the Monday. My next door neighbour was a Sikh, and it was she that first told me about the service that Sikh people provided. The community then was quite small, but they were loving and kinding and always took care of us when we went round. So much so that although I don't have many personal friends in the Sikh community, I know many on a casual basis and still often go for a free meal at the Gurdwara because the food is very good. My children now are 40 and 42, and I think that in Leicester we've grown up with an understanding of multiculturalism and an appreciation of all the cultures. But for me, the Sikh community is one of the best in Leicester because they're so loving and caring, and you could always trust a Sikh gentleman.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you very much for the Sikhs Alliance has invited us for this Vaisakhi food drive. It's been a very fantastic moment for all of us here celebrating one of the biggest Sikh events. We'd like to thank to all the organisers who have basically given us the opportunity for Kirpa Food Bank to help those in need. Basically, we're based in Wolverhampton, and we've been doing a lot of soup kitchen, helping a lot of these people who are in need. So we like to tell you, it's a fantastic atmosphere. People have been coming down. People have been supporting. We have collected a lot of food. With thanks to the Sangat who has donated a lot of this non-perishable food. We thank you to them. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa,
Waheguru 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 Ji Waheguru 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 Ji Waheguru 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 Ji Waheguru 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 Ji
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you to LSA for inviting Midland Langar Seva Society here today on behalf of the food drive. Absolutely pleasure. Thank you to all the Sangat that have donated and been part of this, and all the Seva that's actually going to come out of this through to the homeless and other centres throughout the West Midlands.
Hi, I'm Brinda from Midland Langar Seva Society. We want to thank the LSA for all the hard work they've put into putting this event on today, and all the people that bring the food donations for us. It's all going to be going to Coventry, Walsall, Birmingham and Leicester team. And just want to say thank you. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Just wanted to say thank you from Courageous Leicester for those that attended Gurukar today and donated for Vaisakhi Food Drive 2014. If you weren't able to attend today, then please follow the link down below and donate online. Thank you. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Happy Vaisakhi, everyone.